In the previous video, we have already discussed about the what is the properties of cement we have. So we can choose the right kind of cement for the right kind of the concrete. Now, when the cement is coming to our site from the manufacturer or from the supplier, now we need to check that cement whether this cement has tested as per the requirement or not. So how to know that one? We need to know first what is the IS code is referring for that to that test so that we can check whether it is valid or not. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about the testing of the cement and what is the relevant codes of the cement. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So let's start about the testing of the cement. So first test we have already discussed, there is a fineness. Now the fineness is testing of cement is different method is there. One of them is dry sieving, another is Blaine's air permeability method. Now what is the dry sieving method? If the test is coming and it is a dry sieving method, we need to check which code has to follow. This is IS 4031 Part 1 1996 and reaffirmed in 2016 and 2021. This is the latest technology as on days the 15th December 2023. But whenever you are working or whenever you're getting the test report, please check in the BIS website that whether this code is the revised one or not, because you need to check according to the revised one or the latest one, and only the source where we can get the revised one, that is BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard website. Only from there you download that one, because download is free. So check set account and download all the required IS code from there, from not any other sources. So if it is coming fineness by cement by dry sieving method, IS 4031 Part 1 1996. Then fineness of cement by Blaine's air permeability method. These are widely used. And what is the Indian standard? Same code is 4031, but it is a Part 2. So if it is a Blaine's air permeability method, it should be as per 4031 Part 2 1999. Then determination of soundness. Now fineness is gone, the soundness. This is also same code 4031 Part 3 1988. Then consistency of standard cement paste, that is IS 4031, the same code, Part 4. Now initial and setting time, this is very crucial, but we need to know the which code to follow, that is IS 4031 Part 5 1988. Again, then compressive strength for cement and other than masonry unit. Now there is a hydraulic cement and then the masonry cement. Also IS code has differentiated these two types of cement. So one is the masonry, the other cement we're using for the concrete. So if it is not masonry cement, it should be IS 4031 Part 6. And if it is the masonry cement, then compression strength should be as per IS 4031 Part 7. So now we need to understand that when the report is coming, whether it's a masonry cement or not. If it is a masonry cement, then IS 4031 Part 7. And if it is not, then IS 4031 Part 6. It is very, very, very much important and crucial to use the right IS code for the right time so that we can get the right kind of properties and the value. Then determination of transverse and compressive strength of plastic mortar using prism. So this is also another type of method. Then if it is by using prism, then it should be IS 4031 Part 8 1988. Then heat of hydration, we need to check that heat of hydration, because it is very much essential to know for the mass concrete how much the heat will be developed and how it will act with the environment. So this heat of hydration also we need to understand, and how we can measure, that is IS 4031 Part 9 1988. Then drying shrinkage. We all know the shrinkage is very problematic, and if it is happening, there is a crack and everything. So we are all dealing with that shrinkage crack. So what is the drying shrinkage that we need to check? That is IS 4031 Part 10. So it is all in IS 4031 Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. But again, it's a date of latest revision we need to check. Then determination of density of cement you need to check. That is IS 4031 Part 11 1988. Then determination of air content. IS 4031 part 12 1988. Water retentivity of masonry cement, that is IS 4031 part 13. Determination of false set, IS 4031 part 14. And fineness by wet sieving method. Again, the fineness is coming. The dry sieving, wet sieving, and Blaine's air permeability method, widely used by the Blaine's air permeability method, but dry sieving and wet sieving also is there. The method is IS 4031 part 15 1988. So these are the cement tests which need to be performed, and these are the Indian standard and the latest revision of that to be followed whenever we are doing the test. But whenever we are getting MTC or the manufacturer test certificate, we need to check that it is test as per the latest revision or not, and it is as per the requirement of not. What is the requirement? That is in IS 269-2015. It is already mentioned. You check my previous video about the properties of cement and the OPC 4333 grade. And that everything I in details I mentioned what is the required properties is there, and in it is for which code to follow and to check that one and test that one. And now the thing is that how to check the sample or what is the requirement of the sample, that also mentioned in the IS code, that is 35351986. It is mentioning what is how much sample is required and how to take the sample whenever we are taking the test. These are all everything in the IS 3535. So this IS code to be followed whenever we are testing the cement. This is all about testing of cement. Now, and in next video we'll one by one how to test that one, that we will discuss. But if we discuss in this video, it will be a long form video. It is only to show you the what kind of codes and what kind of Indian standard to be followed on different types of test. Please remember this one and memorize this one. In the next video we'll check one by one how to test the cement. And if you're new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. And if you find this information is useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And also, I'm waiting for your valuable comments so that from your comment, everybody can be benefited. And thank you once again for watching me.